A few months ago, we bought ourselves a nice used Kubota, an L5740, beautiful tractor, hydrostat. Love the tractor. The only thing was, I told the guy it smelled like a mouse crawled up in there in the cabin, up above there where the air conditioning, the heater vents are. Like a mouse died up there, because you could just tell it just smelled like a mouse, a dead mouse nest. So anyway, got it back, and what I was worried about is I'd have to get at it from the inside here, maybe take all the vents off, or to get the top off. But no, and I couldn't find anything online either. But actually, it was real easy. You just had to come in here and take these bolts off from the inside. There was 1, 2. That I didn't have to take that off. That was just a plastic tab to hold this to the frame. So you don't have to bother with that. But there's 1, 2, 3, 4 across the front. 1 here. There's 2 more here, but these do not go all the way through. They're just short ones. So you can leave these 2 on, these 2 short ones. There's 1, 2, and then a third one on the side. And then 1, 2, 3, well, however you count it, there's 5 in back. Let's say 2 on the side. That's what, 9, and then 4 there. So that's what, 13 bolts you got to take out. But you don't have to take out these 2 short ones on either side. Once you get that off, the top, it's a whole assembly. And I was a little confused. I talked to the dealer too, and he didn't seem to be quite certain on this model. He was talking like just the orange came off. So I didn't know if it was where it was coming apart. But I just kind of pushed up on this in a few spots and it just popped right off. Kind of surprised me. But yeah, that's great that that top popped off, because now you can get at the whole thing. Well, but while I'm here, I wanted to show you. There's the here's the back right here. And there is the cabin filters right in back there. And you can see that right there. There's a mouse nest. So all that air was being drawn in through there. No wonder why it stunk so bad in the cabin. And let me just show you on top real quick here what it's like. You can see where the mouse was. He was all over the place here. So, but anyway, now that you got the top off, you can get at everything really nice. It's easy to get at. There's more of a mess back there, but I was told they come in through these ropes, supports right here. So I got to kind of get this out of the way, and everybody says they just shoved some steel wool down there. Finger stuck. But anyway, that's where they come in. So I'll get it all cleaned up, maybe replace the radio. It wasn't working well. You can see the mice are up here. I'll get that taken care of, put her back together, and hopefully it should be good to go. You see that furry thing in there? That's disgusting. Well, I think I'm ready to wrestle this top back on. I got it cleaned out, vacuumed out really good, washed it how I could, sprayed down some air freshener on top. I put a new radio in there. Mice had urinated on that, ruined it. There was a dead mouse underneath that squirrel cage fan. Yeah, I threw a little bit of charcoal on top too. Maybe it'll get rid of some of the smell. Just sprayed it down and vacuumed it, cleaned it the best I could, and hopefully that'll be better. So we'll see. Now I just got to get this top back on. Surprisingly, just one. He was up in the squirrel cage fan.